Hello, Ndibo. Ndibo, you see, if the Nigerian government refuses to educate the Biafran War, what aspired in schools, I think we are obligated to educate our own children as Ndibo. We need to tell our children the truth about the Biafran War because, one of the advantages of history is that if you don't educate your children about history, they will still fall victim of that same shit. So, all the scenario of the Biafran War is just about there is a father that is having 3 children. And those 3 children have all gotten married and have many, many, many offsprings. So suddenly, one of the sons started complaining that he's not being treated properly. And instead for the grandfather to call him on a round table to discuss and know what is his problem, rather, the grandfather took Pew Pew and started unaliving that one that is complaining, and he and his children. That is everything about the Biafran War. The Igbos were not okay with the way Nigeria was being run. And they complained. They said that you using our people for program of unaliving our people unjustly is not good. It's not what we want. Let us discuss how we'll be living in Nigeria. You wage a war upon them. And the funniest thing is that they are still expecting those same Igbo people that they waged war upon to still come back and unite in that same Nigeria that is unaliving us. These things are madness. It's not going to work. Any Igbo man who accepts Nigeria is an Igbo man who doesn't know the history of Biafran War. If you know the history of the Biafran War, you will understand how Nigeria hits you. And you will understand and you will rephrase how you will be following the Nigerian government or the Nigerian nation. What we need to be doing is to educate our children about the history of Nigeria, nothing more. Thank you.